Hello, everybody. Hope so you all will be fine. Today we discuss about greenhouse effect and global warming. The greenhouse effect is the process by which radiation from a planet's atmosphere warms the planet's surface to a temperature above what it would be without this atmosphere. It is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. The Earth's surface receives energy from two sources, the sun and the atmosphere. Here we can see heat comes from sun onto Earth, and it passes through a blanket of gases in our atmosphere. Some of the heat energy is reflected back into space. Some of the heat energy is absorbed by the blanket of gases. These are mostly greenhouse gases, which are essential to life on Earth. Without them, heat energy would escape back into space. Earth would be a very chilly place with an average temperature of 18 C. What is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse gases help to keep the temperature of the Earth in balance. This process is called the GREENHO-USE-FFECT. The gases work a bit like glass in a greenhouse to trap in warmth. But the Earth is getting warmer and warmer. Why? Because human activities are creating greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, CO2. As we burn more fossil fuels, for example, the blanket of greenhouse gases becomes thicker. How greenhouse gases cause of global warming. More greenhouse gases in the atmosphere mean that more heat energy is absorbed. We call this increase in the temperature of the Earth global warmings. Gases that trap heat in the atmosphere are called greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases absorbs some amount of infrared radiations and re-emits it. A result of this feature warms atmosphere's surface. Amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are even less than to 1%. Carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrous oxide, N2O, ozone, O3, methane, CH4, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, absorption spectra of atmospheric gases. Here we can see capability of absorbing radiations in atmospheric gases. In this table, some greenhouse gases sources sinks and their effect on climate, or we can say the importance for climate. Selected greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, CO2, source, fossil fuel burning, deforestation, anthropogenic increase, 30%. Average atmospheric residence time, 500 years. Methane, CH4. Source: rice cultivation, cattle and sheep ranching, decay from landfills, mining. Anthropogenic increase, 145%. Average atmospheric residence time, 7-10 years. Nitrous oxide, N2O. Source: industry and agriculture, fertilizers. Anthropogenic increase, 15%. Average atmospheric residence time, 190 years. WHAT, CA and WEDO, we can choose simpler and more sustainable ways to live our life. For example, we can reduce the amount of waste we produce and make sure to reuse and recycle too. Switch to renewable energy sources. Take public transport, walk, run, cycle. Plant trees. Turn off lights when not in use. Consequences of increased greenhouse effect. The consequences that arise due to increasing in greenhouse effect are as below. Global warming. Rise in sea level. Depletion of ozone layer in the stratosphere. Carbon dioxide fertilization effect on plants. Potential impact on human life. Due to a greenhouse effect, parameters that act as a potential impact on human life are as below. Economic impact. Effects on aquatic system. Agricultural impact. Effects on hydrological cycle. Summary. Greenhouse gases absorb infrared radiation and prevent it from escaping to space. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide are very good at capturing energy at wavelengths that other compounds miss. Greenhouse effect and global warming. The greenhouse effect and global warming are not the same thing. Global warming refers to a rise in the temperature of the surface of the Earth. An increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases leads to an increase in the magnitude of the greenhouse effect, called enhanced greenhouse effect. This results in global warming. GLOBALWARMINGEFFACTS. Rising sea levels, flooding of coastal/low-lying areas, harm water supply, shift in crop patterns, change in growing seasons, warmer temps, more evaporation, drier soils, animal/plant habitat expands or contracts, more cloud cover, stronger hurricanes farther north/south due to warmer ocean temps. WOY change a light replacing one regular light bulb with a compact fluorescent light bulb will save 150 pounds of carbon dioxide a year. 2. Drive less, walk, bike, carpool, or take mass transit more often. You'll save 1 pound of carbon dioxide for every mile you don't drive. 3. Recycle more. You can save 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide per year by recycling just half of your household waste. 4. Check your tires. Keeping your tires inflated properly can improve your gas mileage by more than 3%. Every gallon of gasoline saved keeps 20 pounds of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. 5. Use less hot water. It takes a lot of energy to heat water. Use less hot water by taking shorter and cooler showers and washing your clothes in cold or warm instead of hot water. More than 500 pounds of carbon dioxide saved per year. 7. Avoid products with a lot of packaging. You can save 1,200 pounds of carbon dioxide if you reduce your garbage by 10%. 8. Adjust your thermostat. Moving your thermostat down just 2 degrees in winter and up 2 degrees in summer could save about 2,000 pounds of carbon dioxide a year. 9. Plant a tree. A single tree will absorb 1 ton of carbon dioxide over its lifetime. 10. Turn off electronic devices. Simply turning off your television, DVD player, stereo, and computer when you're not using them will save you thousands of pounds of carbon dioxide a year. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon.